This single-story modern house with 4 bedrooms has been designed to combine minimalism, functionality, and an elegant connection to nature through the use of open spaces, seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, and a thoughtfully curated garden. The overall design concept embraces clean lines, large windows, and a palette of natural materials that create harmony between the built structure and its surroundings. The layout prioritizes privacy in the bedroom areas while encouraging social interaction in the communal living spaces, making it ideal for a family-oriented lifestyle. The exterior design is characterized by a refined simplicity that gives the home a timeless appeal. The facade features a combination of gray rendered concrete walls, horizontal timber cladding, and large expanses of glass. These materials are chosen not only for their aesthetic qualities, but also for their durability and low-maintenance properties. The combination of textures adds depth and interest to the otherwise minimalist form, while the timber brings warmth to the cool tones of the concrete and stone. Inside, the house follows an open-plan layout that maximizes spatial efficiency while creating a smooth flow between the different areas. The living spaces are organized around a central core that includes the living room, dining area, and kitchen, all of which are interconnected. This open concept allows natural light to flood the interior from multiple angles, further enhanced by the large floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors that lead to the garden. The house is divided into 2 volumes to ensure privacy for the bedroom area, while maintaining a feeling of openness and connection in the common space. One wing contains the master suite, while the other wing is the common living area. This separation allows the master bedroom to act as a private retreat for the homeowner, with its own bathroom and walk-in closet. Large windows in the master bedroom offer peaceful views of the garden, with blackout curtains ensuring privacy when needed. One of the defining features of this modern home is its connection to the outdoors, made possible by the thoughtful inclusion of a private garden and multiple outdoor living spaces. The central living areas open up to a large outdoor patio, where the family can enjoy al fresco dining, lounging, or entertaining guests. The patio is covered by a pergola, which provides shade and creates a comfortable, usable space even during the hotter months. This single-story modern house with 4 bedrooms and a garden perfectly balances modern architectural principles with the desire for a warm, livable home that connects to nature. The thoughtful design creates a space that is both functional and beautiful, with each element carefully considered to enhance the overall living experience. Whether relaxing in the garden, gathering with family in the open-plan living area, or retreating to the privacy of the bedrooms, this home offers a peaceful sanctuary in a modern, minimalist setting.